Now, this illustration deals with different characteristics. Now, again, when I was the chief electrical inspector for the city of Fort Worth, Texas, this particular section became very popular for computers and different voltages that were needed in a facility. And along with the designing engineering firm, the electrical contractor firm, and the, say, the utility, we would get together and determine how many of these additional services were needed to do the job that the designing engineering firm wanted. Now, notice we have this second service to the right, and notice this service could supply different voltages. I could have 122.08 at another service for 277.480, say, just as long as there's different voltages, say, and different phases. If I had different phases, I could have phase L1, L2, and then have phases L3, L2, you know, and L4, say. Different uses. The normal service is feeding the building, the lights, the receptacles, and so forth, the equipment. And then I want to add a second service for computer equipment. Okay, I could do that. Then say you were adding a second service to provide different frequencies. So these different characteristics of use would permit an additional service, one or two maybe, in addition to the normal service in accordance with NEC 230.2D as in dog, and that's exactly what this figure 6-6 is illustrating. But notice again, we must get with the authority having jurisdiction and the utility before we do this or start our design, so that we don't waste a lot of time, money, and energy designing something that would not be allowed. Now notice at the very top of the facility we have in the bold-faced information that multiple services for different characteristics shall be permitted to be utilized to supply specific loads, equipment, voltages, and so forth, as long as we get these additional services, one or two, whatever it may be, approved by the authority having jurisdiction with the state, county, city, where we want to perform this type of installation, and then get with the utility. And after all this is done, then it's safely to go ahead and plan on adding these services without any bumps in the road whatsoever, because we did all of the pre-work properly before we ever attempted to design, install, and inspect these systems.